Maintaining your Shark AI Robot VACMOP Pro. When you're ready to empty the dustbin, push the dustbin release button and slide it out. If the fluid reservoir is attached, you will need to remove this first by pressing the two buttons on either side and sliding it out. Open the dustbin lid by pressing and lifting the lid, then dispose of the debris. Clean and reinsert the filter inside the dustbin after each use for optimal suction power. Remove the filter by pinching the plastic tabs and pulling it out. Gently rinse the filter with water and allow it to air dry completely before reinserting. The self-cleaning brush roll actively removes hair wrap while your robot cleans, but if some hair wrap or debris remains after continued cleaning, you can manually clean the brush roll. To access the brush roll, push up on the tabs on the brush roll door, then lift off the door. Once the door is removed, you will be able to remove the brush roll and remove any debris that may have been collected. After each vac mop mode, empty the fluid reservoir and remove the reusable mopping pads to machine wash or hand wash them. For additional information, visit sharkclean.com/support.